So Monkey is looking at these shiny space rocks and thinking, hey, what if Monkey could travel at light speed? Well, turns out that's the worst idea Monkey ever had. Because what Monkey discovers will completely shatter everything you think you know about reality. And trust me, when Monkey shows you what the universe looks like at light speed, your brain is going to need therapy. So Monkey builds this spaceship and starts accelerating away from Earth. And at first, Monkey thinks this is going to be like a nice space vacation, see some stars, maybe find some cosmic bananas. But oh boy, was Monkey wrong, because the moment Monkey starts going fast, the universe decides to play the meanest prank ever on curious apes. First thing that happens is, the stars in front of Monkey start moving around like someone's shuffling a cosmic deck of cards, and Monkey's thinking, what the heck is happening here? Turns out this is called aberration of light, which is basically the universe's way of saying, hey Monkey, remember how you thought you understood how light works? Well, surprise, you don't. And it's like when you're driving in rain and the drops hit your windshield from the front even though they're falling straight down. Except now it's starlight hitting Monkey's eyeballs, and Monkey's brain is very confused. And if Monkey thought that was weird, well, buckle up, because as Monkey keeps accelerating, the whole universe starts looking like it got put in a blender. The stars bunch up in front like they're all trying to get Monkey's autograph, while behind Monkey, everything goes dark, like someone unplugged the cosmic Christmas lights. And Monkey's starting to think maybe Monkey should have read the fine print on this whole light speed thing. But here's where it gets really trippy. Monkey looks back at Earth through the telescope, and everyone down there is moving in slow motion, like they're stuck in cosmic honey. And Monkey's thinking, did everyone suddenly get really sleepy, or what? But no, turns out this is the Doppler effect, which means Monkey is literally watching time slow down on Earth while Monkey's time stays normal. And Monkey's brain is trying to process how time can just decide to have different speeds in different places, like time is having an identity crisis. Meanwhile, the stars in front of Monkey are getting brighter and turning blue, like they're putting on fancy space makeup, while Earth behind Monkey is getting dimmer and turning red. And Monkey realizes the universe is basically playing dress-up with colors just because Monkey decided to go fast. And Monkey's thinking, okay universe, that's a weird hobby, but you do you. And the sky in front of Monkey starts contracting, like someone squishing space with a giant invisible hand. While behind Monkey, the sky stretches out and gets darker. And Monkey's thinking, wait a minute, space isn't supposed to be stretchy, right? Space is supposed to just sit there and be space. But apparently space has strong opinions about Monkey's travel plans, and those opinions involve getting all bendy and weird. Then Monkey notices something really strange. When Monkey looks to the side at stuff flying by, it doesn't look squished like Monkey expected. Instead, it looks rotated, like someone tilted the whole universe just to mess with Monkey's head. And Monkey learns this is called Terrell-Penrose rotation, which sounds fancy, but basically means the universe enjoys playing optical tricks on Monkey's brain. At this point, Monkey's thinking maybe this whole light speed adventure was a terrible idea. But Monkey already packed bananas, and Monkey's not a quitter. So Monkey keeps accelerating, and the effects keep getting weirder. And Monkey realizes Monkey hasn't even gotten to the really mind-melting stuff yet, because so far this is just the universe warming up for the main event. Then Monkey hits the really fast speeds, and suddenly it's not just optical tricks anymore. It's like the universe decided to completely rewrite the rules of reality just to mess with Monkey's head. Because now Monkey discovers that time itself is getting weird. Not just how Monkey sees time, but actual real time. And Monkey's clocks are ticking differently than Earth's clocks. And Monkey realizes if Monkey ever goes back home, Monkey will have aged less than everyone else. Which sounds cool, until Monkey realizes all Monkey's friends will be older, and Monkey will still be telling the same banana jokes that weren't funny the first time. And here's the part that breaks Monkey's brain. The universe itself starts shrinking in front of Monkey, like someone squishing space with a cosmic accordion. And Monkey realizes the journey to distant stars that should take thousands of years suddenly seems like it could take minutes or even seconds, because space is literally getting shorter. And Monkey's thinking, how can space just decide to be smaller? That's like saying a banana can decide to be an apple just because Monkey is looking at it funny. But wait, it gets even weirder, because Monkey learns this isn't just Monkey's imagination, this is actual physics, called length contraction, where the universe genuinely becomes shorter in the direction Monkey is traveling. And Monkey's thinking, Okay, universe, you're officially cheating now, because distance isn't supposed to change its mind about how long it wants to be. But apparently, the universe doesn't care about Monkey's opinions on how reality should work, and Monkey's field of vision keeps getting more compressed, like looking through a cosmic telescope that someone keeps adjusting. And all the light from the universe starts focusing into this bright spot in front of Monkey, while everything behind goes completely black, like the universe is playing the world's most extreme game of hide and seek, and Monkey is definitely losing. Then Monkey realizes something terrifying. Monkey is approaching speeds where the normal rules of cause and effect start getting wonky. And Monkey's thinking, wait, if time is different for Monkey, and space is shrinking, and light is doing weird things, then what else is the universe hiding? And Monkey starts to suspect that reality is way more fragile than Monkey ever imagined, like it's held together with cosmic duct tape and wishful thinking. The craziest part is, Monkey can actually feel the universe changing around Monkey. Not just see it, but experience it. Like Monkey is surfing on the fabric of space-time itself, and every second Monkey accelerates, the universe becomes more alien and strange. And Monkey realizes Monkey is entering a realm where common sense goes to die. And even Monkey intuition, which is usually pretty reliable, is completely useless. And Monkey's spaceship instruments are going absolutely crazy, trying to measure things that don't make sense anymore. Like, how do you measure distance when distance keeps changing? And how do you measure time when time is relative? And Monkey's thinking, maybe Monkey should have paid more attention in physics class, instead of just eating bananas and making jokes about Einstein's wild hair. But Monkey can't stop now, because Monkey is committed to this insane journey, and Monkey wants to see what happens when Monkey tries to actually reach light speed. Even though Monkey is starting to suspect the universe has some very strong opinions about that goal, and those opinions probably involve teaching Monkey some uncomfortable truths about reality. But then Monkey tries to actually reach light speed and discovers the universe's biggest cosmic joke. Because no matter how much Monkey accelerates, light always stays the same speed ahead of Monkey. Like it's taunting Monkey, saying, nah, you can't catch me. And Monkey's like, come on, universe, this isn't fair. I've been accelerating forever, and light is still escaping at exactly the same speed. Which makes no sense, because if Monkey is going faster, then Monkey should be catching up. But apparently, the universe doesn't care about Monkey's logic. And Monkey's field of vision keeps shrinking until everything in front becomes this impossibly bright spot, while everything behind goes completely black. And Monkey realizes Monkey is basically flying through a cosmic tunnel where the only thing visible is this blazing point of light ahead. And Monkey's thinking, this is either the most beautiful thing ever, or Monkey is about to become space dust. And honestly, Monkey isn't sure which is worse. The absolutely mind-breaking part is, from Earth's perspective, Monkey looks like Monkey's moving at light speed. But from Monkey's perspective, Monkey is still sitting completely still, while the entire universe rushes past like a thin sheet of cosmic fabric. And Monkey can cross thousands of light years in what feels like seconds, while thousands of years pass on Earth. And Monkey's brain is officially broken, trying to understand how Monkey can be motionless and moving at light speed simultaneously. And Monkey realizes the speed of light isn't just a speed limit. It's like the universe's way of saying, this is the absolute boundary between what makes sense and complete cosmic insanity. And no matter how clever Monkey thinks Monkey is, the universe will always win. Because the rules are rigged in favor of light, and Monkey is just a confused ape trying to understand mysteries that are way above Monkey's pay grade. Then Monkey discovers all the optical effects become so extreme that reality starts looking like a fever dream, where all the light rays seem to come from directly ahead, creating this tunnel vision where the universe becomes a single bright point surrounded by absolute darkness. And Monkey realizes Monkey is experiencing the fundamental speed limit of reality itself. And the weirdest part is, Monkey could accelerate forever and never actually reach light speed, because from Monkey's perspective, light will always escape at the same rate, and Monkey will always be sitting still while the universe contracts until it becomes an infinitely thin sheet that Monkey crosses in 0 time. And Monkey's thinking, okay, universe, you win. This is the most mind-bending thing ever. So after all this cosmic craziness, Monkey realizes the universe has this ultimate speed limit that nobody can break. Not even clever monkeys with really good spaceships. And light speed isn't just fast. It's the universe's way of saying, This is as weird as reality gets. But then Monkey learns about warp drives, where instead of moving through space, you move space itself. And Monkey's thinking, wait, we can cheat by bending reality. Except it needs negative mass, which doesn't exist. So it's like the universe dangling the ultimate banana just out of reach. And Monkey's final conclusion is, the universe is way weirder than Monkey ever imagined. And maybe Monkey should stay home and look at pretty stars from a safe distance while eating bananas. Because apparently the moment you try to go really fast, reality decides to become a cosmic funhouse where nothing works right. And if you want to see Monkey explain black holes, those make light speed look like a relaxing vacation. So let Monkey know in the comments, and subscribe for more brain-melting space content.